Hey, welcome back. If you've ever wished you could keep your work browsing completely separate from your personal stuff in Google Chrome, then this video is for you. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to create and manage multiple Chrome profiles, and it's a lot easier than you might think. So before we dive in, let me quickly explain why you'd even want multiple Chrome profiles in the first place. Imagine this. You have one Google account for work, one for personal use, maybe another for a side business or freelancing. Without profiles, you're constantly logging in and out, your bookmarks are a mess, and your extensions are all mixed up. Chrome profiles solve all of that. Each profile gets its own bookmarks, passwords, browsing history, and extensions, completely separate from each other. It's like having multiple browsers in one. All right, let's create your first new Chrome profile. Open Google Chrome and look at the top right corner. You'll see a profile icon, which might show your name or a generic avatar. Click on it. A menu will drop down, and at the bottom you'll see an option that says Add or Add a new profile. Click that. Chrome will open a new window asking you to set up the profile. You can choose to sign in with a Google account or just browse as a guest without signing in. For most people, I recommend signing in so your data syncs across devices. Let's go ahead and sign in with a Google account. Click Sign In, enter your Google email address and password, and follow the prompts. Once you're signed in, Chrome will sync all your bookmarks, passwords, history, and settings from that Google account. This is super useful if you use multiple devices. Your data will always be up to date. Now let's make each profile easy to identify. After signing in, Chrome may prompt you to customize the profile. You can give it a name, like work or personal, and choose a theme color so it's visually distinct. If Chrome didn't prompt you, no worries. Just click the profile icon in the top right, then click the pencil or settings icon, and you'll find the customization options there. Pick a name and a color that makes sense to you. Switching between profiles is super quick. Just click the profile icon in the top right corner of Chrome. You'll see all your profiles listed there. Click on any profile to switch to it instantly. Chrome will open a new window for that profile. Each window is completely independent, so you can have your work profile open in one window and your personal profile in another, all at the same time. Here's a pro tip. You can create desktop shortcuts for each profile so you can open them directly without going through Chrome first. When you're in a profile, click the three-dot menu in the top right. Go to More Tools, then Create Shortcut. Give it a name like Chrome Work, and it'll appear on your desktop. Super handy for quick access. All right, let's wrap it up with a few best practices. Use one profile per Google account and name them clearly. Keep work extensions in your work profile and personal ones in your personal profile. This keeps things clean and fast. If you're a freelancer or digital marketer managing multiple clients, create a profile for each client so nothing bleeds over. And remember, each profile syncs independently, so your data is always organized and secure.